Hi Heather Ranch, it's me, Mr. Aaron, and today I'm coming to you guys to show you how to make a bubble wand. And I'm also showing you guys how to make a really great bubble mixture that makes it super strong and you're able to actually hold the bubbles if you can catch them. The bubble wand, it's going to be the hardest part. I took two wooden dowels and I put a couple of eye holes. I don't know what these are called, I forget. But I put a couple of these in there, tied some string, and I put a weight at the very bottom that allows it to hang inside of the mixture. The soapy bubble mixture I made by using a bunch of water, and then I did a cup and a half of the Dawn soap, and then I did half a cup of this corn syrup. I mixed it all together and it makes a really strong bubble mixture that allows it to stay together even if you're holding it or if it bounces up against the window. So that is the mixture, and that is how I made the bubble wand, and now I'll show you guys how it all works together. Alright, so I take the bubble wand and I dip the yarn into the mixture and I kind of stir it up a little bit. And I pick it up and I also step back. Woo! Ah! And it kind of works. You got to practice with it a little bit. And then you can get some pretty big, whoa, bubbles. Ah! Almost had that one. Let's try again. Oh. Fiddle around with how much Dawn soap and how much corn syrup you put in there. Ooh, that was a nice one. Makes it a bit easier. There we go. And that's pretty much it. You'll develop a little rhythm. I hope you guys have fun. Bye, Heather Ranch.